Hello friends, I have made this CNC drawing machine from a old TVS dot matrix printer and scanner. Most of these parts are easily available. It's a NEMA 17 stepper motor from that printer. Along with I have two 12mm and 6mm smooth rods. It's a 6mm GT2 timing belt. This timing belt and smooth rods serves the x-axis bed movement. Timing belt is coupled along with the stepper motor shaft so that this will take care of the bed movement. Y-axis mechanism is salvaged from the old scanner. Along with Y-axis I have a Z-axis servo mechanism which is used for pen up and down movement. Z-axis pen holder setup is made from 3D printer. This is used to hold the pen. On the other hand, I have the dummy wheel which is salvaged from the printer. This is used to guide the GT2 timing belt. This entire plotter setup is controlled by GPR CNC shield. A4988 stepper motor driver is used to control the stepper motors. This is stacked on top of the CNC shield. The heart of this system is Arduino Uno based Atmega microcontroller, which is take care entire plotting setup. Thank you friends, thank you all for watching. Have a great day.